Welcome to Iceland's Westfjords, one of the most remote and untouched regions in the country. Today, we'll take a journey through towering cliffs, crystal-clear fjords, and picturesque fishing villages. Whether you're seeking adventure or a quiet retreat, the Westfjords offers an unforgettable escape. The Westfjords is a land defined by its fjords, where the mountains meet the sea in dramatic fashion. The crystal-clear waters invite exploration, with each turn revealing new angles of untouched beauty.
Footprints fade upon the golden sand, echoes of the past in every stone and root. Untamed beauty dawns its nature's suit. Hidden gem, no map has shown the quiet unknown. Adventure calls where wild things roam, untamed and grown.
Not only does the Westfjords offer awe-inspiring landscapes, but it's also home to a rich variety of wildlife. From the playful puffins to seals lounging on rocks, it's a wildlife lover's paradise.
Crickets sing their songs with heart and fire. Mystery in every shadow, secrets spelled. Nature's symphony, composers unexcelled. By the waterfalls so grand where rainbows stand.
One of the Westfjords' most stunning features is its waterfalls. Dynjandi stands tall, cascading over 100 meters into the valley below, offering a peaceful yet awe-inspiring sight.
Hidden gem, no map has shown the quiet unknown. Adventure calls where wild things roam, untamed and grown. In this wonderland, untouched by human hands, we find the truth of life in forest lands. Hidden gem, no map is shown.
The Westfjords is home to some of Iceland's most charming villages. These remote settlements are steeped in history and offer a glimpse into the peaceful life in Iceland, where nature and community go hand in hand.
Hidden gem, no map is shown the quiet unknown. Adventure calls where wild things roam, untamed and grown. In this wonderland, untouched by human hands, we find the truth.
For the adventurous traveler, the Westfjords offers endless opportunities. Kayak through its serene fjords, hike the rugged mountains, or explore hidden caves in some of Iceland's most isolated regions. Iceland's Westfjords is a destination like no other, untouched, wild, and waiting to be explored. If you're looking for your next adventure, this hidden gem should be on your list. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more travel inspiration from Nature Pulse.